those fucking Wessex blades. This is my unboxing and initial impressions of what I think to be a flashlight. Okay, so open this up. I'm very fortunate to have been offered this. This is the right one. Okay, here we go. Yeah, ThruNite in aluminium. So, ditch that. This is how it comes. Turn a cardboard sleeve, a tin, wheelie bin. What's that, Mitch? Wheelie bin's arrived as well. It's all deliveries. Got a wheelie bin arriving as well. So, see you in a minute. No, Sandy, I'm not doing it for the second ice challenge. Far too much water. What's happening? So, back to the ThruNite flashlight. One thing I did like when I saw Nut and Fancy with his ND20, I think Phoenix, was it had a plastic wand that went over the end of the torch, which turns it then into a lantern, and you get issued with it. So if we get down low onto my table, I'll show you as it comes out of the box, and what you're getting received when you order one of these ThruNite torches. So, arrived in the post, as is. There's your cardboard sleeve, arrives in a tin, which says ThruNite, T10, guarding you through the night is the MA slogan. Got a little window in there and it shows the contents. So you've got the wand and what's that, pocket clip, a spare O-ring, the screws for the pocket clip, and a tiny little Allen key. It's great. It comes in black, the model I've got. Very nice, very hefty feeling thing. So I'll go get an AA battery. See the LED inside. There we go. There's your actual LE, and you've got a like a planished mirror inside. So you've got flats if you want to sort of rail it or mount it somewhere. The on-off switch is protected at the top by those two sides there, like castellated effect, and it's lowered in 2 points to get your thumb in or finger in. But that button cap, that looks very, very classy compared to the average affair. Also, in this sort of range, we're looking at things like this. You get that sort of button cap, which is on a stream light. So let's get a battery, fire it up. Okay, so first battery I've come across is an old NiCad NIM. Okay, the unscrewing point is about here. There it is. Contact point and a spring at the bottom of there, so we'll go that. The fit is amazing. You know those ones that you get and it just rattles bound down? That is almost like a piston. Okay, not cross-threading it. That feels very well engineered, very smooth. Okay, let's give it a go. Oh, bloody hell. So we've got the modes here. So there's low, guessing is the medium. Yeah, that is very powerful. Back to the low again. That's very handy. Obviously, the amount of times at night when you're in your tent or your hammock and you want to see where you're going, but you don't want to blind yourself, so you end up having to go like this and then just peeking the torch out between your fingers to see where you're going or what you're doing without getting a face full of beam. Here you just sequence through, and the button is working out great so far. Low, medium, and blinding. Okay, let's read upon the specs and see what the actual settings give you in terms of lumen. Now there's one thing look at that. The only snag is it does roll. So there's something. Stay. So there's your little bits and bobs. Changing modes. Half press when the light is on to circle through firefly low and high. Half press to tell switch. That might take a bit of a while for me to get used to it. Okay, so okay, turn it on. Half press to tell switch when the light is on to circle through. Right, it's on. It's on. Ah, yes. So you actually gently depress it. So it's on, and you... Oh, that's slick. So you haven't got to do that massive great chunk-ching sound. So just turn it on, and then... Well, I've took to that quite happily. How easy is it for a caveman to do? It's on firefly, it's on low, sorry, let's do it again. It's on, gentle, boom, back to firefly. That is a nice touch. So you haven't got that non-tactical, non-stealthy action and sound of the button clicking. Method 2, when the light is on, loosen the head a bit until the light turns off. Okay. Click the tail switch to change modes. Memory function is activated after 2 seconds when the light is turned off. It's the same as the last one you've used. So it's on firefly and it's been on for more than 2 seconds. I'll turn it off. So it should be on firefly and I'll turn it back on again. Yes. So now it's on medium for more than 2 seconds. Turn it off. Should be on medium when I turn it back on. Yes. Now it's on high for more than 2 seconds. Turn it off. Should be on high. Amazing. So I'll put on firefly so that way you won't blind yourself. That is enough just to find stuff in your bivouac, under your tarp. Now the next thing I want to try is the one there, the lantern attachment. So cool, that goes on there quite well. So firefly, like a miniature lightsaber. There's medium. Yes. Impressed? Awesome. Now you do have a pocket clip, but I don't use them because I like sticking it in little tunnels or things, but I'll fit it. See how easy it is to fit. See you in a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not exactly an out in the field kind of deal, this. That's in. Get it straight. And then crank it up. Get it in. That will now stop the roll away feeling. So, ThruNite T10. Mine comes in black. On. There you go. So, first impressions. It feels very high quality. That rear button is amazing compared with the usual. I mean, the ThruNite is good. I had a few issues with the button, where I've pressed it a few times and it's not always worked on the ThruNite. Now, of course, the other one in this that I've got is the Phoenix, which is a twist, so a two-handed affair. And literally, that's the first battery I found, so it could well be brighter. You know, NIMS aren't as much as a good Duracell will be. So, testing in the future. First impressions, initial view of it is fantastic. Scott from Wessex Blades, ThruNite T10.